how to sign up for DraftKings, quick guide on creating an account on DraftKings. So first of all, what you have to do is simply open your browser and go to DraftKings.com. Once you go to DraftKings.com, this is the interface you will see. Here you'll find a sign up link. Just click on the sign up button. Once you hit the sign up button, on the next page you have to simply create your DraftKings account. So simply enter the email address you'd like to use for your DraftKings account. After you've done that, simply enter the username also that you would like to use. Then after that, you must also create a password. So you can choose the password that Google is recommending, or you can choose your own password. Make sure you select correctly and hit the I button right here to be able to view your password. Now you must choose a phone number based on the region that you're in. So simply go ahead and then make sure you also enter your particular region right here. So let me go ahead and select my country, and let me also enter my phone number, and I can text or email code to confirm my number if I want to, otherwise I can leave this unchecked. Now I can just hit the create account button, and as I've done that, I'll be able to verify a couple of more details. So let us explore the options. It will ask us to enter our full first name, which is legal name according to documents, last name, the date of birth according to documents as well. So everything must be according to documents because you might have to submit your verification later. Now you must also go ahead and actually select your country of residence. Once you select your country of residence, you can choose your address. You can also choose a city, and you can choose a state right here. And once you've done that, you can also make sure to go ahead and then enter your postal code. Now you can choose to verify identity now, or you can skip and verify later. I'll just select verify later. Agree to all the terms and conditions, hit the continue button right here. And once I've done that, then I'll be able to go ahead and then see that my DraftKings account have been successfully created. This way I'll be able to create or sign up on DraftKings. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.